Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Spider-Man costume, and this time it's gonna be the Noir suit. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with the eye area first, and usually this is the hardest part of drawing the Spider-Man mask, is getting the eye shape. So we can start out with just like a slight bracket inside. And then on this part, we're gonna go up. Okay, and then we're gonna slant it up on the same side, on the other side. And then once we have that, we're gonna come down, and it's almost like a rounded corner. So it's a little bit straighter. Just come down and just round it off, and then just come back into the middle. And then once we have that shape, we're gonna draw in another one on the inside. So this one's easy. We just kind of follow along on the inside edge. And then after the eye shape, so let's draw in the whole head. So we're gonna come to the side here and just draw like a bracket. And then from here, let's just go ahead and finish up the top. We're just gonna go up, just kind of round it off, flatten it out a little bit. Okay, and then on the bottom, we're gonna come down. It's a little bit sharper. And then just close it off for the chin. So that's the head, and let's add in some details inside. So this one's pretty easy. We just kind of draw like a little arc in between the eyes. And then right in the middle, let's just add in one line. And then on the corner here, just kind of go out. And then on the side here, the same thing, we just kind of go out. So it's kind of, everything is kind of radiating from the center here. Okay, and then on the bottom here, just slant out and then down, out and then down. And then for the chin, just a little bit of detail, just come across, and then on the corner, just kind of go out. Okay, so that's pretty much the head, and if you like, you can add in like just a little crease there for the nose behind the mask. Okay, so let's go down and draw in his neck. So we're gonna draw in the collar at the same time. So just come down straight and then come across, just close it off. And then from this corner here, we're gonna slant up almost all the way to the side of his head. Okay, and then for his collar, go back up here. Just gonna curve down past this mark. And then once we've done that, just kind of connect these. So that's gonna be his collar. It's a little bit wide. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in his shoulder. So his shoulder is gonna be right here. We're gonna slant it down slightly, nice and wide. And then we're gonna pinch it in all the way down to his waist. So just come down, close it off. That's gonna be the top of his belt. And then let's just finish up his belt. So we're just gonna come down one section. And then for the detail here, for the buckle, I'm just gonna draw in like a little, almost like a circle inside. And then on the corner here, we're just gonna draw in two lines. Alright, so and then the detail inside on his little vest here is really easy. We're gonna take this line here, just kind of extend it out, and then come all the way down. And then on this side here, just start on the collar, go all the way down. Okay, and then we can also just kind of extend this one, just go up. And then we can add in just a little bit of detail here, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Right on the shoulder. And then it's got those big buttons here, so I'm just gonna draw 3 on each side. I know he's got 4, but just trying to keep it a little bit simpler. So just 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that's pretty much his body, and let's move on to the arm. So his arm is pretty basic, so let's start out right here. Here's the armpit, just come out. And then on the shoulder here, we're gonna come down. Now for his bicep, start here, just bracket. Here's the elbow. Lower arm, slant out. Come back in. And then close it. He's got those bigger gloves, so we're gonna extend this line slightly. Come back into the wrist. We can close it off. And then now for his fist, so here's his thumb, just kind of angle it. Here's the back of the fist. And then we're just gonna turn it in and just close it off. Alright, so let's draw the other side. So it's gonna be pretty much the same. So here's the armpit, come across, shoulder coming down, and same thing here, bracket. So start up here, lower arm, come out, come back in, close it off. So use the other side for reference, so you can kind of have the same length for his arm. So extend it, pinch it back into his wrist, close it off, same thing. And then here's the fist, come down, here's the thumb, back of the fist, just turn it in and close it. And then let's add in a little bit of detail here for his clothing. So we can extend this line here, and I'm just gonna add in a couple more creases just to show that it's like kind of like tight clothing here. Okay, so even like in the elbow right there, just a little bit of line really helps. So those are the little things, but it really helps to add complexity to your drawing. So let's move on down to the leg. So come down in the middle here. Just gonna draw one line, and let's draw another line here. Okay, come back here, come down, pinch it in, inside, come out, pinch it in. And then for his knee, I'm just gonna draw in a bracket. Okay, let's draw on the other side before we go down further. So same thing here, come out, just use the other side for reference, come back here. Same thing here, bracket. Okay, so come back here. So we're gonna come out for the lower leg. And then we're gonna pinch it in. Okay, but we're gonna keep going because his boot is kind of continuous. So we're gonna come down. And then this part here is gonna come out. So this is for his foot. Let's turn it down and close it off. I'm gonna add one section for the sole here. Okay, and let's come back up here. There's some details. So I'm gonna draw one line across. And then it's gonna have this like a little belt here. So I'm just gonna draw 2 lines across. Okay, and then on the bottom here, just draw one little arc like this. And then now for the detail, just draw 2 lines straight down, right in the center. And then it's gonna have all these little, I guess, for the laces. Just go all the way down. I'm just gonna put in these dots. Okay, so they're kind of small. Hope you guys can see this. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. It's gonna be pretty much the same. Slant out, come back in, use the other side for reference. And then for his foot, come down. This side's gonna come out more, and just curl it down, close it off. One section for the sole. Okay, let's come back up here again, cross. And then one belt here. Okay, and the bottom right here, same curve. And then again, 2 lines straight down. And then now those little dots again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's finish this off with just a little bit more detail up here. So he's got a little belt here. Cross, and then here's the buckle. And he's got a little pouch here. So this is easy, just come down. And let's add in some detail for his pocket. So I'm just gonna draw in 2 lines. And then even up here, let's add in a couple of lines like this, just to make it look like cloth. And that is it for this Spider-Man Noir costume. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.